Haylie's little babies. They're almost 6 weeks old. They're in a bit of a playful mood tonight, so I thought I'd just grab my phone and capture a little of it. Lem's content over there in the corner with something. I'm not sure. With the pad, I think. Luna. Lem's such a good boy about using the potty pad. Actually, they all are. Mama, don't be mean. Who's crying? It's okay, baby. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Hi, little Lem. Do you come out of your kennel and want to play now? It's a little better, huh? It was too close up. Hello, babies. Hello, Limerick. Hello. Usually Lem talks to me. Hello. What? What? Should I make you some more food? Do you want more food, huh? What do you think? Should Mommy make you more food? Yeah. Oh, Luna. That's what you call climbing the walls.
I'm going to start putting the dogs to bed. What was the name of the event?
Mike. What, little Luna? You want me to pick you up? Is that what it is? Yes, got spoiled, huh? Yeah, want attention. You poor baby, you fell over backwards. You fell over backwards. You okay? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, these two go in for a little drink. Mama's just kind of not into it for very much anymore. See? Haylie, don't be mean. They're your babies. Oh, Limerick wants in on it too. What, Luna? Go play. I'll love on you when I'm done with the video. Oh, she thinks I should pick her up. There, Mommy's loving on you. Go to Mommy. Aren't they so adorable? I just love this litter. A white, a tricolor, and a black and white. Like, could it be more perfect? Yeah. Could it be more perfect? What, little girl? What, sweet girl, huh? Oh, she's gonna go in and use the pot. Oh, peeing on the pad instead of on the grass. Luna, that's not where you're supposed to go. But at least they're going in there. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. All right, so there are Haylie's puppies. They're almost 6 weeks old. And here we have Haylie's puppies. They are 6 weeks old today, and they just went to see the vet, or the vet came here. Actually, my vet comes here. The vet came this morning and checked them all out and gave them all a big thumbs up. Everybody's doing great. So we've got 3 beautiful, healthy puppies that'll be ready to go to their new homes in 2 weeks. So 3 lucky families that are going to get these beautiful babies. Now we got them playing and Mommy in there watching. She still likes to spend some time with them, which is nice. They like it when she's in there. They're doing good, eating their pottery food, but they still love to nurse. Look at Limerick's down and Lem's on him. Little bitty Lem. They're just such good-natured, sweet puppies. All 3 of them. Lem. Let Limerick up, Lem. He's cleaning him. That's lovely. Limerick says, I'll get you. I'll just bite your back leg. Yeah. Oh, instead he's going to get Luna's face. Her ear. There we go. They got teeth now, too. There'll be some crying going on if they keep doing that. You know, in the beginning, they just are gumming each other, but now those little teeth are coming in. And they're sharp. Well, goodness. Are you going pee-pee on my floor, a little stinker? They've been so good about that. Yeah. Go pee-pee on the floor. On the camera, too. Go figure. Embarrass me while we're on the camera. What, Ireland? What are you so worked up about, huh? What? What, sweet girl? What? What's happening I don't know what Ireland's talking about. Well, come on, babies. Let's get some play going on here. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Let's get some play going on here? Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, jump all over Mom. Poor Mommy. Oh, Limerick. That didn't sound so good, bud. They're still a little clumsy at this age. They roll and flop and nosedive. And thankfully, this is luxury vinyl, so it's not as hard as the concrete used to be. I hope that was in the camera when I was playing with them. I need a helper. Someone to watch the camera for me. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna play with your mommy now? Huh? You gonna play with your mommy now? Oh, these are sweet babies. All right, so there you have Haylie's beautiful puppies, 6 weeks old.